On this date in 1961, April 12, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to journey into space. This tremendous achievement was a watershed moment in space exploration history, paving the path for future investigations of our universe. Gagarin was chosen as one of 20 cosmonauts to participate in the Vostok space program as a Soviet Air Force pilot. The Vostok 1 mission lasted slightly over 2 hours and consisted of one orbit around Earth before Gagarin safely returned to Earth. Gagarin became an immediate hero in the Soviet Union and around the world as a result of his flight. His achievement highlighted the Soviet Union's scientific strength and began the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union. Even more impressive than the feat itself was Gagarin's sense of humor and modesty during his sudden celebrity. During a news conference following his journey, he joked that he didn't see any angels or God, breaking conventional expectations of religious encounters in space. He also thanked the hundreds of engineers and professionals that helped make his journey possible. Fast forward to April 12, 2019, and a far less serious situation occurred. A herd of cows managed to escape their confinement and take over a Walmart parking lot in a tiny town in Texas. It's unknown how the cows managed to escape or why they chose the Walmart parking lot as their destination, but it really caused a commotion. Photos and videos of cows grazing freely among parked cars and perplexed customers immediately went viral on social media. Local police were called to the site to return the cows to their cage, but not before the animals did minor damage to parked automobiles. Despite the mayhem that ensued, no one was injured, and the cows were eventually restored to their confinement safely. The incident brought much-needed levity in an otherwise monotonous news cycle, as well as a reminder of the unexpected surprises that life may bring. On a more serious note, Equal Pay Day is observed on April 12th. This day commemorates how far into the year women must labor in order to earn what men earned the previous year. The gender wage gap has been a continuous issue throughout history, affecting women from all walks of life and professions. Although there has been progress in closing this gap in recent years, there is still much work to be done. According to the National Women's Law Center, women earn only 82 cents for every dollar earned by men in the United States. The wage disparity is significantly greater for women of race. Equal Pay Day serves as a reminder that much work has to be done to achieve true justice and fairness in the workplace. Individuals and organizations must work together to close the gender wage gap and ensure that everyone has equal opportunities to succeed. To summarize, April 12th has witnessed both momentous triumphs and light-hearted moments throughout history. This day serves as a reminder of the unexpected twists and turns that life may offer, from Yuri Gagarin's historic journey into space to a herd of cows taking over a Walmart parking lot. As we commemorate Equal Pay Day, we are reminded of the continuous fight for equality and the significance of working for a more just and equitable future for all.